I'm now repairing my bicycle's inner tube. Yes, so it should be now dry and fix it. And I think I can repair this one with my kit. Yeah, I've got the kit for bicycle inner tube repair, and I found the points where it's let the air out. So this is the piece that we use it to push air, and this is my machine. I use this machine to press air into the tube, and I will discover where was the problem is, and it's now about to be fixed. Okay, just push a little bit more, then be sure that glue going to fit the crack. Okay, please tell me if I can help for your bicycle also. See the description. Goodbye.